Kids Yoga Pose Universe. Snake pose. Coming to lie on our tummies. We point our toes back behind us, our hands underneath our shoulders. We roll our shoulders back and we wiggle up like we're hissy snakes. Ready? Snake pose is a winner for strengthening our backs and opening our chests. It's a really lovely pose. Oh, hello. We're doing snake pose. You can join in if you like. Right, coming all the way down, we'll do it together. Putting your hands underneath... Oh, sorry, you haven't got any hands. You're a snake. Well, you can maybe show us how to do some good wiggling up. Yes? Here we go. Wiggling all the way up. Snake pose.